बच्चों, क्वेश्चन 4, on a number line points A, B and C are such that distance AC is equal to 10, distance CB is equal to 8. Find distance AB considering all possibilities. We have to consider all possibilities to find distance AB. क्या possibilities है, क्या इम्कानात हैं, हम देखेंगे। दिया हुआ क्या है, एक नंबर लाइन है। On a number line there are 3 points A, B and C. Considering different possibilities, we have to find out distance AB. In this case, we have, now look here, how many possibilities are there? कितने इम्कानात देखेंगे। देखो, सबसे पहले हम B बीच में रखेंगे तो A और C ये एंड पॉइंट हो गए। फिर उसके बाद A बीच में रखेंगे तो B और C एंड पॉइंट हो गए। उसके बाद अगर C बीच में रखेंगे तो A और B एंड पॉइंट होंगे। तो ये 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं। ये देयर आर सच 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज। सो इन दिस सिचुएशन, नाउ considering these 3 possibilities, we are going to find out distance AB. Now let us see first case. Number 1, here A, B, A dash, B dash, C means B is in between A and C. We can sketch a number line like this, A, B, C. Okay. Now we can write like this, distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC. हम एक ऐसे फार्मूला लिख सकते हैं, डिस्टेंस AB प्लस डिस्टेंस BC इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस AC। ये दोनों डिस्टेंस मिलाने के बाद ये डिस्टेंस AC बनता है। तो देखो यहां से भी हम लिख सकते हैं, डिस्टेंस AB प्लस डिस्टेंस BC इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस AC। देयरफॉर distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC. Now tell me, what is the value of distance AC? It is 10. Now here we have to find out distance AB and tell me what is distance CB or BC? It is 8. Okay. Now 10 minus 8, it is distance AB. 10 minus 8, 2. Therefore distance AB is 2. Distance AB is, in this case, distance AB is 2. यहां पर यह देखना है कि B A और C के दरमियान में है। अगर मैं C यहां लिखता हूं, A यहां लिखता हूं तो बात वही होगी। ओके, तो यहां पर 3 केसेस हैं। हमने पहला केस सॉल्व किया। ओके, नाउ द सेकंड वन। सेकेंड वन में क्या है मालूम है आपको? यहां पर इन द सेकेंड केस, व्हाट इज गिवन हियर? A is in between B and C. If I draw a sketch of a number line, straight line, where point B and C are there and A is in between them. Okay, so with the help of this we can write like this, distance BC is equal to distance BA or AB, it is same, plus distance AC. ओके, हमने सही लिखा, फार्मूला सही लिखा। डिस्टेंस BC इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस AB प्लस डिस्टेंस AC। इन दोनों के फासलों को मिलाने के बाद डिस्टेंस BC बनता है। नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्टेंस BC? CB और BC इट इज सेम, इट इज 8। वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट वैल्यू ऑफ AB and distance AC is how much? 10. Now distance AB, 8 minus 10, this plus 10 goes here, it becomes minus 10. What is the answer? Is 10, 8 minus 10, it is not possible. 10 minus 8, it is 2, and bigger number sign minus. Distance AB is equal to minus 2. Distance AB is not equal to minus 2. Why? Because distance cannot represent in negative sign. Okay, मनफी नहीं हो सकता फासला, so it is not possible. ये केस ये ऐसे नॉट पॉसिबल है. ओके, कि point A is in between B and C, then we find out distance AB, it is negative, it is not possible. Let us see the third case, that is, we solve this one. Now let us see third case where C is in between A and B. Okay, if I draw a sketch like this, C is in between A and B. With the help of this we can write the formula. Distance AB is equal to distance AC plus distance BC. Distance AB is equal to this one plus this one. How much distance AB we have to find out. What is distance AC? Distance AC is 10 plus distance BC is 8. It is 18 unit. Okay, 18 units. Distance AB is equal to 18 units. So in this question we find distance AB considering all possibilities where 3 points A, B, C are lying on a number line. We write 3 possibilities here where B is in between A and C, A is in between B and C, B and C, C is in between A and B. Then we find out distance AB in these 3 different steps. Okay, in these 3 different cases. Okay, let us see question number 5. What is that? Points X, Y, Z are collinear such that distance XY is equal to 17, distance YZ is equal to 8. Find distance XZ. In the previous question, that is in question 4, points A, B, C are given which are on number line, means they are also collinear. In this question, points X, Y, Z are collinear. It is given. क्या दिया हुआ है? हमखत्ती है, collinear है. Collinear है. These points are collinear. X, Y, Z. लेकिन यहाँ बीच में कॉमा है. ऐसे नहीं है. X dash Y Z dash Z. ये this is the property of betweenness. This is the property of betweenness. This betweenness property is not given here. Instead of this, comma is given. Means X, Y, Z. These 3 points lie on a number line. Collinear means they are lie on a number line. Okay? हम खत्ती हैं. लेकिन ये नहीं दिया कि betweenness प्रॉपर्टी नहीं दिया, दरमियाने की प्रॉपर्टी नहीं दिया. तो हमें प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन के जैसे ही तीनों पॉसिबिलिटीज बताना पड़ेगा. तीनों पॉसिबिलिटीज को लेकर डिस्टेंस XZ, हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में डिस्टेंस AB तीनों पॉसिबिलिटीज को लेकर सॉल्व किया था. यहां पर भी वैसे ही है. पॉइंट्स XYZ कोलिनियर है, लेकिन नहीं दिया है. क्या नहीं दिया है? X, Y, Z. Y ये बिटवीननेस प्रॉपर्टी नहीं दिया है. दैट इज व्हाई वी आर कंसीडरिंग 3 possibilities. Number 1, X dash Y dash Z means Y is in between XZ. X, suppose X is in between Y and Z. Okay, now third one will Z will in between X and Y. Okay, now we are going to solve. We are going to find out distance XZ considering all these 3 steps. Okay, okay. Now first situation, that is X dash Y Z dash Z. X dash Y Z dash Z. This step we are going to solve. We are going to find out distance XZ using this betweenness property. Okay, with the help of this we can write like this. Distance XZ is equal to distance XY plus distance YZ. Now what is distance XY? It is given distance XY 70 plus distance YZ, it is 8. Therefore answer is 25 units. Okay, so in this case we find out distance XZ, which is 25 units. Now let us see the second condition, that is second possibility. where x point x is in between y and z. ओके, यहाँ पर x जो है नुकात y और z के दरमियान में है, तो ऐसी सूरत में xz की कीमत क्या होगी? लेट अस सी y dash x dash z. ओके, now we can write distance yz is equal to distance yz is equal to distance yx or xy plus distance xz. Then do you know the value of yz? Value of yz is 8. Here we can write 8. Distance xy we have to find out. Okay, write xy as it is, distance xy plus distance xz is, it is 17. Now therefore 8 minus 17 is equal to distance xy is equal to how much? Tell me. It is bigger number minus smaller number. There will be a subtraction. Okay, bigger number sign minus. So in the previous example I told you that distance is not negative. So in this question it is not possible. Point x is in between y and z. So in this situation distance xz is -9, which is not possible. So first is correct. Okay, now check whether the third possibility is correct or not. X. In this case, can you find distance xz? X dash z dash y. Now distance xy is equal to distance xz plus distance zy. What is distance xy? Tell me. We have to find out. Distance xz. Where is distance xz? No, we have to find out distance xz. Okay, and distance xy is how much? 17 plus distance zy or yz, it is 8. Now 17 minus 8 is equal to distance xz. 9 is equal to distance xz. It is positive, so distance xz is 9. In this case, in this possibility, we find out distance xz. So in this question, we find distance xz in 3 different steps. First step, y is in between x and z. The distance xy is 25 unit. In the second, x is in between. Second possibility, x is in between y and z. Distance is negative, which is not possible. Third possibility, this point z is in between x and y. Here distance xz is 9. Okay, now we are going to solve the next question, that is sixth question. Okay बच्चों, let us see what is question 6. Sketch proper figure and write the answers of the following questions. We have to draw a sketch with the given information and we have to find out the answers of given question. Okay, what is given here? A dash B dash C means here with the help of betweenness property it is given that B is in between A and C. We have to draw a sketch representing this betweenness property, that is here B is in between A and C. With the help of this we can find out length AB. Okay, now this is the sketch of this information where B is in between A and C. B जो है A और C के दरमियान में है, तो हमें स्केच बनाना है. तो B, तो हमने एक नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ किया और उस पर 3 पॉइंट्स A B C लिखा, तो स्केच तो तैयार हो गया. With the help of this sketch, now write the formula here. Distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC. समझा आपने? डिस्टेंस AC इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस AB प्लस डिस्टेंस BC. ये फासला जमा ये फासला बराबर AC का फासला. ओके, डिस्टेंस AC इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस AB प्लस डिस्टेंस BC. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू. व्हाट इज गिवन? डिस्टेंस AC is 11. We have to find out distance AB. We have to find out length of Oh, I write instead of length I write distance. अच्छा हुआ मैं आपको एक डिफरेंस बताता हूं कि इसमें लेंथ ए बी और डिस्टेंस ए बी में फर्क क्या है। जब डिस्टेंस लिखते हैं तो यहाँ कॉमा आएगा और जब लेंथ लिखते हैं तो यहाँ कॉमा नहीं होगा। तो हमने यहाँ लिखा लेंथ, क्वेश्चन में लेंथ दिया है तो हम उसी तरह से फार्मूला बनाएंगे। क्या फार्मूला है? दिस इज द फार्मूला। ओके, length AC is equal to length AB plus length BC. Okay, what is length AC? 11. It is given in the question. What is length BC? It is 6.5. But we have to find out. Length AB. Length AC is 11. Length AB is AB. Now we have to find out. Plus length BC is 6.5. Okay. Now 11, this plus 6.5 goes beyond to equal to sign, it becomes minus 6.5. So what is 11.0 minus 6.5? How much? 0 minus 5 not possible, borrow 1. 10 minus 5, 5, give back, it becomes 7. Again 1 minus 7, it is not possible, borrow 1. 11 minus 7, how much? 4. 11 minus 7, 4, and give it back 0. 4.5. The answer is 4.5. Okay, length AB is 4.5. Length AB is equal to 4.5 units. Centimeter is not given, meter is not given, so we can write units. Okay, therefore length AB is how much? 4.5 units. Now we will see the next question, that is question second of question number 6. What is given here? Instead of second I am going to solve the third one. We can solve the second question at home, which is very easy like this. But in the question third, what is given? If there is a betweenness property between x, y and z, y is in between x and z, if x dash y z, y dash z, and length xy is equal to 3 root 7, length xz, here length xz is there, length xz is 3 root 7, length xy it is root 7, then find length, which one? Yz. Yz. So with the help of this we can draw a sketch. While writing the answer solution, first of all draw a sketch, draw a number line and write like this. Okay, where point y is in between x and z. Plot the point, 3 points, such that y must be in between x and z. We represent these 3 points on number line. This is your required sketch. Okay, ये sketch बन गया. अब हमें मालूम करना है ये length yz with the help of this. Okay, now क्या फार्मूला बनता है? Length xz is equal to length xz is equal to length xy plus length yz. Okay, फार्मूला बनता है ना, ऐसे ही लिखेंगे ना फार्मूला. देखो लेंथ xz is equal to length xy प्लस लेंथ yz. ओके, xz का फासला बराबर xy का फासला जमा yz का फासला. ओके, now write the values. What is xz? Xz it is 3 root 7. What is length xy? Root 7 plus yz we have to find out. We have to find out length yz. Okay, so therefore 3 root 7 minus this root 7 goes beyond to equal to sign, this positive root 7 goes beyond to equal to sign, it becomes negative. Okay, what remains here to the right side? Yz. Okay, now take a common root 7. Okay, if you take root 7 as a common, what remain? 3 minus whole root 7 we take as a common, then it here 1 is remain. Okay, yz 3 minus 1 2 into root 7 means it is 2 root 7. Okay, it is 2 root 7, then yz is equal to 2 root 7. Okay, length of yz is 2 root 7 units. Okay, अगर ऐसे भी कर सकते 3 रूट 7 माइनस 1 रूट 7 इट इज 2 रूट 7। अगर ये बात अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आती है तो हम ऐसे 3 चॉकलेट में से एक चॉकलेट हमने खा लिया तो कितने बचे? 2 चॉकलेट, इसको हम चॉकलेट कंसीडर करेंगे। ऐसे भी लिखते हैं ना हम 3x माइनस x, हाउ मच? 2x, है ना। तो वैसे ही यहाँ पर 3 रूट 7 माइनस रूट 7 मीन्स 2 रूट 7। या तो ये प्रोसीजर फॉलो करो या तो फिर आप डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हो। Okay, now the next question, what is given in the next question? In the next question, which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? We have to draw 3 non-collinear points. Okay, we have to draw 3 non-collinear points. Okay, where I have draw here there are 3 non-collinear points. का मतलब क्या? गैर हमखत्ती। Collinears, these are 3 collinear points, these are 3 non-collinear points। मतलब क्या? collinear मतलब उसमें से एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते, बट नॉन कोलिनियर में से हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ नहीं करते, they are not lie on the same line। okay, so these are 3 non-collinear points। so what is question? which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? okay, we have to join AB, okay, BC, AC। what we got? We got a triangle। if we draw 3 non-collinear points and if we join them, then we will get a triangle। okay, the answer of question number 7 is a triangle। you have to draw at home, you have to draw 3 non-collinear points and join AB, BC and AC। then you have to write the answer in sentence that joining these 3 non-collinear points ABC, we got the triangle ABC, है ना। we got the figure or we got the which figure we got, which figure is formed? Triangle is formed। instead of writing the like this sentence, we have to write by joining 3 non-collinear points ABC, we triangle is formed। okay, just write triangle is formed। okay बच्चों, हमने इस तरह से we solved practice set 1.1। okay, question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, question 6, question 7, there are 7 questions in this exercise practice set। okay, you have to write these example on your notebook, write all the questions properly and solve some remaining questions from question 3, question 2, question 1 as well as from question 6। okay, in this case you have to complete the 7 question and you have to solve these 7 question in your notebook at home। okay, thank you।